So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting.
Welcome back, YouTube family and heroes. This is Christian back in another video just for all of you guys. We are out here with the Supra. I got my first modifications done in the car. I really want to make a super clean, like just a really clean Supra, something that's like, damn, that's clean, that's really luxurious, that's really just it's pristine, but it also has the styling of the classic MK4 Supra. I really want to do like the C-bend wing in the back, get a nice diffuser, side skirt, front splitter, but also just make it nice and clean. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be doing it in the engine bay, guys. So this is kind of the first thing I did this time. Like I said, normally I do a whole bunch of other stuff first. This Supra, like the Corvette, are going to be staples in the channel. These are cars that I am not going to be getting rid of. These are cars that are my dream cars. Like, I got my two dream cars, guys. How awesome is that? Like, I have a Supra and a Corvette, guys. Like, this is literally my dream cars here. So I want to make sure I do the type of build that I really want, just like my Corvette. I know I've done community builds with the STI. I know I did community builds with the Type R, but I just want to let you guys know that I have some amazing plans for the Supra, and I hope that you guys enjoy this. I know you guys have seen lots and lots and lots of Supra builds, but this is a build that is going to be very special to me, and I hope that you guys like the direction I'm going. But anyway, let's get into the video. All right, you guys, so the first thing that I'm going to get into is actually going to be the Blackline caps. We got the oil cap, we got the heat exchanger cap, we got all the Blackline caps. This was probably, I think it was like 70 bucks, $60 for these, like 100 and something bucks for both of them. But like I said, I have the white and the red with the red interior, so I really want to have a nice clean white and red theme. So I wanted to go ahead and get these caps. I do like these much better than the stock ones. These feel just much more better materials for me personally. I like the styling of this as well, so it wasn't added bonus, especially with this the red right here and the red in the interior. So the first thing that I did actually was get these Blackline caps for the oil cap, for the heat exchanger, and everything as far as the engine bay. All right, and the next thing you might have seen or realized was I got this Blitz tower strut cover. Just, you know, I haven't actually gotten a tower strut for my STI and my Type R, but I wanted to get one for the Supra. Like I said, I want this to be a nice, clean, performance-oriented build that can go ahead and just do some nice canyon carving, some nice street driving, occasional track days, but mostly I want this to be a canyon monster. I want this to be a fun car, especially the location I'm going to be out here. If you guys don't know, I am in the Pacific Northwest. That's where I got my new house. That's where I'm going to be staying at for right now. So I'm in the Pacific Northwest. So we want to have some nice canyon carving done. We want to have some nice, beautiful, scenic POV routes for you guys. And also, this just matches completely inside the engine bay as far as what I want to do for this car. And like I said, I want this to be pristine. I want to get really good parts for this car. I want to take my time with this build. I want to do this build exactly how I plan on doing it. But man, I just have to say the engine bay is looking great. Like I said, no performance aspect as far as power, but this tower strut bar is going to really come in handy for the type of driving I'm going to be doing. I love these caps, making sure everything is bolted down. And yeah, so that's the first mods that I got done for the Supra, guys, is the engine bay. Now the next things, I'm still trying to debate what I want to do next. Do I go exhaust next? Do I do the wing next? Do I do the ground effects kit next? I'm still trying to think about exactly what I want to do with the Supra. Like I said, I want to take my time with this. I did a poll as far as what you guys wanted. I personally want to do a classic MK4 with the MK5 vibe. So like the Sebin wing with the ground effects. I also saw a bunch of you guys that wanted me to do a Street Hunter kit, but I want to do something that's clean. So in the comments below, let me know what you guys like as far as the Supra MK4. What mods do you like people to do on these cars? What's your favorite mod to even do to a car? And as far as this Supra, as far as the color scheme, as far as the way the car is, what would you guys suggest? You know, I'm also going to be thinking about, as far as if I do the kit, what wheels I want to get, what direction I want to go. Like I said, I want something that's super clean, man, where you see it, you're like, damn, that is clean. But man, like, guys, I have a Supra, y'all. Like, look how clean this is in here. The red interior with the red on the outside, the red brake calipers. Damn, this car is looking absolutely fantastic. But anyway, if you guys like the video, the like button, follow, join the subscribe button. Want to make a nice quick video for you guys just to get into the Supra, let you guys see it again. And man, we did it, y'all. We are here and we're about to make something pretty legendary like the Corvette. Anyway, have a great day, guys. Keep going after your dreams and make them reality. Peace.